Hey everyone, Tim to do an unboxing of the this package I received. I'm in the other room because they're doing a washing machine repair. Let me get this open for you guys. Might need a scissor to open this, but hopefully not. This is packed pretty tightly. Probably will need a scissor to get this open. Grab it. Okay guys, I'm back. Cut this part here. This part too, it seems. Trying the scissor cut the whole thing. There we go. All right, let me cut on this side too. Should be no problem with that. All right, there we go. We have a bunch of stuff in here. Cars, we have McDonald's stuff. I think that's about it. First thing we got here get this open with a scissor again. Is we have the bumper round in yellow, the Astro Funk. Bump around again, Fangula, Hermes and the Wind Titan, Hades and Cerberus. Zoom out a little bit here. Pain and Cyclops. Let's get the, looks like it might be the loose stuff in here. At least one of the loose cars is in here. I think there might be more packed in the box. I gotta check. This is one of the loose ones. This is the Lamborghini stock. Let me check to see if there's anything else in this. There might be packed in here. Seems like that's it. I think there's a loose car in here. No, it seems empty. Let me get this open. I wonder if less cars are in here for some reason. That's kind of weird. Side ripper. Street Creeper, Altered Ego, Nitro Door Slammer. And we have finally the last one here, it looks like. This is where the loose stuff is, okay. And we have this Mitsubishi Eclipse, Austin Martin, Governor, Bedlam, and the Spectite. I'm going to open everything off camera, guys, but I appreciate the time. And have a good day.